Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can share lists in your Microsoft Lists account in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to Microsoft Lists, log into your Microsoft account, navigate to My Lists, select the given list, and then guys, here at the top you will see this button, Share, next to the Export button. Click into it. After that, what you want to do is enter the name of the user you'd like to share your list with, or you can enter the email address as well. And you can set also the accessibility status here to the right. For example, if you'd like to grant editor rights or allow the given user to comment and to edit. You may add an invitation message below it too. However, doing that is optional. And then guys, there are two ways how you can do this. You can send the email invitation by clicking here to send here, once you have entered the email address here, or you may use that invitational link here. So it works like almost most Microsoft applications. So you click into copy here and it will be copied to your clipboard. And here guys, you will see the status you have selected. For example, for instance, if you have chosen that the given user can edit the list, you will see this here, and that's basically it. So it's how you invite someone to your list and share your list on Microsoft Lists. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.